Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the REALME C17. So at the start, always check your DND mode. Open the top menu, expand the icons, and now look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Now make sure that you have this feature activated. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Start from the Manage Notifications section and check that you have it activated with the lock screen and banner. In the next step, go to the data usage and enable the background data. Make sure that you have deactivated mobile data and Wi-Fi with the disable. In the next step, try to clear cache of your files, so go to the storage usage, tap on the clear cache. If you still don't have your alerts, make a backup of your message and click on the clear data. Clear the WhatsApp app and check for your notifications again. If you still don't have it, open the settings, go to the additional settings and select the last option. Now tap on the Erase All Data and choose Network Settings. Tap on the rest of Network Settings and look for your notifications again. In the last step, try to update your system, so in the settings you should see small software update icon, so just tap on it, and if you have enabled it, just install it and check for your alerts again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.